Hello everyone, and welcome to your first course of the semester. Today I'm going to go over your final course assignment. I know it may seem early, but honestly you can never be too prepared. What we're going to be doing for your final course assignment is compose a statement of intent. In order to compose a statement of intent, we have multiple steps that we must follow first. In order for you to understand what our statement of intent is supposed to help you with, I am going to go over some objectives. Objective number 1. Exercise the art of research, compile and combine on a profound topic chosen. You will choose a topic and you will then research it and use the information that you gathered to write your statement of intent. You will develop and use your critical and analytical thinking to analyze an issue and derive at a proposition that serves as a solution or positive change. Use creativity. You're going to make use of or utilize availability of outside credible resources. That could mean experts in a field, anyone with first-hand experience. You're going to contribute to a cause of making a difference. You're going to use written words that signify fact, opinion, and transformation. You will, above all, practice using the art of persuasion. Step 1. You're going to think about a topic that is extensive in detail, but yet it could use some addressing. It must be profound and strike a vexed perspective to a general audience. You are not limited to topics chosen. You just need to make sure that you pick one that is reasonable and you have a legitimate reason for picking that topic. You want to make a change, so you want to make sure that you have a decent reasoning or backing for it. You want to first email your topic ideas along with reasoning for choosing the topic. Instructor is going to review, then decide whether or not that he or she is going to accept or decline the topic that you chose. And ideally, you should choose a topic that interests you. Our creativity poses a vision for change. Examining a topic that is important to you will help to deliver value to your assignment. Once you know your assignment, start researching. Use peer-reviewed articles at FHSU Forson's Library. Step 2. You're going to choose 6 of these peer-reviewed articles. You're going to turn them into annotated bibliographies. The first part of your final assignment will be due by the end of the 4th week of the semester. You're going to submit it in Blackboard. Because there are so many different steps, you have to start early. You do have until the 4th week of the semester to turn in your annotated bibliographies, but I suggest that you begin working on Step 3 as early as possible. Step 3 is the thinking of an organization or specific individual that can help you elaborate on your topic through first-hand knowledge. Let's say your topic is Korean War missiles. Well, you would either want to speak with someone that deals with high-end artillery or something of that nature. Not always will the first person you intend to contact be able to meet with you, and sometimes they're not able to meet at all or have to cancel. So it's always good to have at least 2 backups. You're going to need to contact this individual and set up a one-on-one interview. You may use the telephone, video, chat, or in-person option. You will need to record the conversation somehow. Those of you that are used on the phone option, I suggest that you use Call Recorder ACR. It's a free app on Google Play. Once the personal interview and recording is complete, you need to transcribe the whole interview. The interview transcription is due by the 6th week of September. There is an example on this website listed here that'll show you how we would like for the transcription to be delivered. For the fifth and final step, you will write your statement of intent. Remember, you want to make a change regarding your chosen topic. Build rapport with your audience and make them connect to the way you feel about your topic. Use emotion through written context. Express your concerns and how you propose it can be changed. Persuade your audience that the change is necessary to meet the need of someone or something. Make sure you use standard APA written format. Here are some the statement of intent expectations. Follow the guidelines when aiming for the best possible grade. Begin thinking about the topic immediately. Get topic approved and begin research. Interview person of interest and transcribe. Begin brainstorming and organizing information in regards to your purpose. Write a meaningful and persuasive statement of intent. Prompt your audience to ask questions and encourage them to join in on your movements. Remember, refer to APA written format guidelines. Follow directions, examples, guidelines provided for you. Still in doubt? Contact your instructor. Good luck!